Oh, here's Kayla again. She's smiling.
Oh, make the yell go honk.
Honk, honk, honk. Oh, see people smile at us. Wow!
Second one.
Honk number 2. See, people are so being nicer. Come on, honk! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause the camera. Or stop it? Should I stop it now? Cause
there's so much film. There's like kind of embarrassing.
let's see, zoom in on these people. Honk, people! Honk! Aw.
Lame.
It's only lamos that aren't honking. They need to honk. We don't think we can get in trouble for this. Kayla, can we get in trouble for doing this?
I don't think so. Only if we put honk if you're sexy though, cause
Yeah, we were gonna do that, but then we decided not to because we didn't want to get in any more trouble. Yeah. That guy, huh? Honk! Honk! Wow! Did you see that guy? He like, he turned all red if you saw him.
What the heck?
So far, like, mainly guys have honked at us. Wow! We think that, did that girl go to our school? Was that
No,
like?
I don't think so.
Oh, I thought she did. Oh well. Who's this? Who's this? Honk!
Come on. Wait, how many honks? Oh, there's some people coming. There's some people. Shit.
Oh well, they'll live. how long are we holding? Hey, let's ask that guy on his bike if he'll honk. Yeah, so in 2 minutes, I will be holding the sign. So Kayla, you're doing a wonderful job.
We had like
5?
5, yeah, 5. And those people on the bike, they kind of honked today.
Wow!
Wait, did he honk?
Yeah, he did.
I didn't hear. Whoa! He's like, oh man, that's so close. Wait, here comes one. Okay, here. Oh, stupid fat person. Oh, here comes someone else. Hey, please honk for us. Oh, lame.
Lame!
I'll go over this side. Oh, this isn't really working well. We're almost at the end. And we got like 9 honks in all. See how many?
Honk!
Honk!
My part, please!
Damn.
Honk!
Honk! Oh, let's make sure this person over here honks at us. How many did we only got like teenagers to honk at us.
We got sexy guy teenagers to honk.
Woo! Okay, and that was our last one. Now we're done.
That was 10 honks total, 5 for each of us.
Yeah, okay, well, we're gonna go now because we might get in trouble. Okay, bye. See you next time.
I want to go to this car.
Okay, wait, one more thing.
Honk!
Please honk!
Please!
Woo! Okay, never mind. That's our last honk. Okay, see you guys. Bye.